there is another forest, one that we hardly talk about. Blue forests are underwater areas with a high density of kelp, which covers a large part of the world's coastline, especially in Norway. Our coastline is about 2,650 kilometers if you draw a straight line, but there is nothing straight about our sea border. It has fjords, icelands and bays, and it's formed along the Skagerrak, North Sea, the Norwegian Sea and the Barents Sea. No country in Europe has more kelp and seaweed than Norway. About 10,000 square kilometers of the Norwegian coast is overgrown with seaweed and kelp. The kelp forests are among the most productive ecosystems on Earth. And here, at the edge of the coast, you can find the large kelp. And they are especially important because they form the base of so much marine life. On the blades on the top, you can see everything from small shrimp to nudibranches. And in between, there are so many small fish and other creatures. On the seabed underneath the large kelp lives dozens of smaller algae, and it also functions as a breeding ground for fish and hunting ground for larger marine mammals. So every spring, as the light returns to our country, the kelp forests starts to grow, just as the trees on land. And all through the spring and into the summer, the kelp grow, especially the large kelp. And just like the trees, they have growth rings and can be up to 20 years old. By August, it's magnificent. But everything goes in a circle, and the blades will be grazed on, and the autumn storms will hit the coastline with all its powers. And by the time the darkness that is November comes, there are mostly just stilks left. And then comes spring again.